Howdy there, folks. Here they come, Bill, Phil, and the legend himself, Ol' Ray. Today's battlefield, well, it's gonna be creamy, cheesy chaos, I tell ya. Seafood mac and cheese with vegetables. Yeah!
Ray, well, it looks like he's already gone and chosen his favorite, the shrimp bowl. Smart dog, that one.
Well, howdy there, folks. Old Phil's pouring that oil like a true pro, I tell ya. Just look at that wrist motion, why? Even Gordon Ramsay himself would give that a big ol' thumbs up, yeah!
And while the oil heats up, Phil starts dancing. That's the secret ingredient, baby.
Troop time, y'all! 300 grams of pure ocean power, fixin' to hit that pan!
You can almost hear the sea saying, "We forgive you." Maybe.
A little butter, a little sizzle. Just 3 minutes of pure, unadulterated perfection, folks.
And Phil's face, well, it just says, "If this fails, we blame the butter."
Well, now Bill is back, rested from the swing, and now Fire Master returns.
Ray's doing laps like he's guarding Michelin stars. Now, ain't that something?
Just a squeeze of lemon, and that there shrimp is done, folks. Golden juicy. Ooh, the smell must be insane, I tell you what.
Now, old Ray, he's trying to act all cool and collected, ain't he? But bless his heart, we all know deep down he's just positively drooling on the inside.
Round 2, partner. Muscles in action.
Same moves, but this time, a soy sauce twist. Asian vibes incoming.
It feels like sunshine the way that it warms up my cold heart. Sweet as sugar and a light that leads you through the dark. A friend to pick you up in brokenness and pain. Lord, let your love and kindness fall on us like rain. Affection, honey, healing magic, goodness from above. Affection, we gotta give it away. The ones you love.
Well, look at that shine. Seafood dreams achieved.
Well, even old Ray looks impressed. And let me tell you, that there's a rare sight.
And old Bill's turn, bless his heart. He's boiling pasta like a man on a mission, yeah!
Now, a little reminder, y'all. ABS check that package for the time, unless you're Bill, of course, who just feels it in his bones, bless his heart.
Perfectly cooked, I tell ya. Al dente, baby.
Translation: not raw, not baby food, just right.
Yeah!
Wait, now, soy sauce and cheese? Madness, I tell ya. But oh, it's pure genius.
Well now, old Phil's plating like he's running a 5-star highfalutin restaurant, ain't he?
Meanwhile, old Ray, he's planning himself a 5-second heist.
Seafood on one side, veggies on the other. Oh, Bill says it's healthier that way. Bless his heart.
Healthier? Maybe. Tastier? Oh, 100%.
Well, howdy. Check out those colors there. Seafood, cheese, and chaos united. Yee-haw!
Ray's ready? The crowd's ready? Oh, the only question, would you dare to try it?
Now, don't you forget to like, subscribe, and tell us, what's your favorite seafood, huh? We just might cook it up next. You hear?